Flocky Flock, what is up? As y'all can see, my package just came in today. Oh yeah. So let me tell y'all the story about what happened the other day, right? About my handle breaking in my car. I went to go open the car and the handle broke. End of story. Anyway, he had his 15 minutes to shine. But today, we're gonna be replacing that handle. So I got the handle right here and we're gonna get this thing open. Let's go! I'm not even gonna lie. So when my handle broke, I was basically getting out the car. I went to go pull it, right? I thought I was the Hulk. I had just worked out. So I'm thinking to myself, you know, I'm strong, right? No, because I was stuck in my car. And then I realized I can roll the window down and reach on the outside. Bam. We're gonna go ahead and replace it. The one thing I will say about this one was, so this handle was off Amazon. It was for $34. They actually had one that was $54 that was a metal handle, but I was like, they don't come with metal handles, so I may upgrade later on, probably not. I do like the black though, it does hit. I don't think this one matches the interior, so I'm just gonna buy another one on the other side.
Now 2.0 is going to show you a real-life demonstration of the handles working in real time. Now watch as he opens and closes the door. He is such a pro.
This has been a safety demonstration by 2.0.
What the hell? All right, guys, that's all I got for y'all today. Yes, I am sporting the official Car Flock shirt. Lonnie, shout out. Stay tuned for more as we come back to Car Flock next week or sooner. Ciao. Don't forget to subscribe.